and this is going to be x minus 1. And if you like, you can distribute this 2 across and the x cross, but I'm going to leave it right there. All right. So we progressively get into more complicated problems. We have 4 minus 7 over x, and that's going to all be over 3 minus 2 over x. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the numerator first, and then we'll work on the denominator. So I want to get this all into one single fraction here. We're going to have going to need to get a common denominator first off. So I write x over x next to 4 so we can get a common denominator. So now we have 4x minus 7 over x. So that's going to be the numerator. Now let's work on the denominator. We're going to have x over x times 3 minus 2 over x. So now we have 3x minus 2 over x. And so that's going to be the denominator, and that's going to replace the numerator there. So let's just write that right over here. So we have 4x minus 7 over x, and then that's going to be all over 3x minus 2 over x. Okay, so we rewrite, this is 4x minus 7 over x times, and remember we're going to flip this guy here, so this becomes x over 3x minus 2. So now as you can see, we can cancel out these two x's. And I end up writing this as 4x minus 7 over 3x minus 2, and that's as far as we're going to be able to get. Alright, simplified down. Alright. We are moving along. Okay. We're going to have 3 over x minus 1 over y, and that's going to be all over 6, which is going to be over 5x cubed y. Alright, so we want to simplify this down. I'm going to work on the numerator first. So we need to get a common denominator, and that's going to end up being, I'm going to write y over y times 3 over x, so that's see y over y goes here, minus 1 over y, and of course we're going to write x over x. Alright, so we'd end up having 3y over yx minus x over yx. As you can see, we have common denominator, so we just add the numerators, so we end up with 3y minus x over y over x. So we've taken care of the numerator, and really there's nothing we can do with the denominator, so I'm just going to rewrite this 3y minus x over yx, and of course this is all over, remember, 6 over 5x cubed y. Alright, so this is the new one now we're going to work with.